I don't have a strict diet where I have to eat 100 grams of this, 200 grams of that, but before, I had a problem with sweet things, so I cut them out completely. I motivate myself by the desire to win more trophies. When I was a kid, I did many sports, judo, like my dad, but also volleyball, handball, and gymnastics. We never played much football. I cannot say who is better between Messi and Ronaldo, because they are different players, both are superstars. One day, I would like to play in Premier League, it would be a great experience. Money is important, but I didn't get carried away because I remember what it was like not to have the basics. However, I am glad that I was able to fulfill my childhood dreams. For sure, as the captain, it's something bigger, the expectation is higher, playing for the national team is a responsibility. You can think, I have scored once, it's enough, he said. You can lose focus, start freestyling, or you can think I have scored once, so maybe I can score another. Is one enough? Or do you want more? You need the button. So many people forget that we are humans, we are not machines, we cannot play every day at the highest level of performance. I want to be a better player, and there is no other way of showing it other than on the pitch. It is not a question of which team I play for. Never stop dreaming, never give up when you fail, work hard to achieve your goal. I don't read articles about myself, I try to distance myself from it. Reading about yourself is nice, but in the long run, it doesn't help.